Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here binaphthyl system is given. Both rings are twisted. One benzene is above the plane on the each ring, and you have side chain which contain chiral possibility. Both HA and HB. You have to find the topicity of hydrogen. You have to know whether they are homotopic, anisotropic, or diastereotopic. Here you can find the answer by replacing H with X. Any substitutions. Here you are replacing, you will get the enantiomer, but you have already one chiral center inside, which is without chiral carbon, but the chirality created by the spiraling. The spiraling is like DNA and RNA. It has right hand and left hand side of chiraling effect. So you have already chirality, you have new chiral carbon, so both hydrogens are diastereotopic. It considered as diastereotopic. So the hydrogens are diastereotopic hydrogens. Here the concept you have to learn here is there are two types of chirality. One is chirality with chiral center, another is chirality without chiral center due to the spiraling. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.